The extremely versatile and high-performance Hammer N4400 bandsaw is a must in every workshop. Whether it comes to trimming, cutting, making slots and grooves, finger jointing, even sanding, the N4400 is the machine for the job. The applications of the N4400 are almost limitless. The solid construction, cast iron wheels, cast iron table, 4 horsepower motor and an extensive range of accessories all combine to provide one of the best performing bandsaws in its price class. The quality and precision of the N4400 are appealing to both the hobbyist and the professional. Take a look at some of the advantages of the Hammer bandsaw that make it so unique. The optional roller carriage allows you to position your N4400 anywhere in the workshop. When it comes to smaller workshops, this is particularly important and useful. The maximum cutting height is 28 cm and can be easily adjusted thanks to the hand wheel. The parallel fence is extremely robust, can be swung out of the way when not required, and even removed completely. The possibility to lay the fence flat allows you to adapt the saw to the workpiece and not vice versa. It is also possible to extend the working surface of the saw by adding table extensions quickly and easily. The machine table can be tilted between -10 and 22.5 degrees. And thanks to its solid cast iron build, the N4400 is up to every task. The optional mitre fence allows you to set the angle between -45 and +45 degrees. This is ideal for mitre cuts on the bandsaw. Simple dual opening of the door. The safety switch prevents the machine being switched on accidentally whilst the door is open. Upper and lower blade guides, solid cast iron band wheels, and a saw blade tension indicator come as standard on your N4400. Changing the saw blade is extremely simple. Take the blade out, place your foot on the blade, and turn it in a clockwise motion, which will cause the blade to twist into 3 rings. Now put the new blade in. Here you have to make sure that the teeth of the blade lie flush against the front edge of the cast iron wheels, and then tighten with the use of the saw blade tension hand wheel. Turn the bandsaw guide screws so that they meet the blade, then release them by 1/4 of a turn. And finally, with the use of the counter screws, lock the guides in place. Move the rear roller supports to within 3 mm of the back of the blade and your new blade is ready to go. Enough of the theory, let's take a look at some of the more unusual uses of the bandsaw, like for example when making planks from freshly cut round timber. For this we are using a cutting jig, which you can easily make yourself. It consists of a base with a solid rail which runs through the groove in the table and extension. Screws are situated at the front and back of the jig, which can be used to secure the log. Thanks to the jig being guided by the rail and the groove, you will achieve an absolutely perfect cut. When carrying out these tasks, the saw blade should be as wide and as sharp as possible. In order to make the planks, the log just needs to be moved in the required position. This is how you achieve perfectly cut planks. The 4 horsepower motor ensures that there is enough power to complete this task. The table extensions ensure that there is enough surface area. Even trimming the planks is no problem on this machine. The parallel fence then ensures that the cut can be carried out quickly and accurately. An extremely impressive result.